What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play From My Window by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's just got 3 different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now these are all going to be power chords. Your first one is going to be a C power chord, but it's going to be in essentially like an open position, if that makes sense. Your index finger is going to go on the 8th fret of, or on the 8th fret of the low E. Your ring finger is going to go on the 10th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger is going to go on the 10th fret of the D string, and you're going to leave the G, B, and E strings open. Move that down to an A, and this is essentially in this chord progression, it's essentially an A minor. It's 5, 7, 7, with also those strings open. And then finally an E minor chord, it's just a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's very, very simple. It's just all down strums. Down, 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 down. The only difference is that the E minor is played twice as long as the C and the A. Down, 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 down.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram and all my other socials is @BillySchultzMusic. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.